lapel.
Medicinal uses and phytochemistry of Kaff, Maryam, or the Rose of Jericho. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Anastatica hyacinthica, commonly known as Kaff Maryam or Mary's hand or the Rose of Jericho. This unique plant belongs to the Brassicaceae family and has a rich history of medicinal use, especially in treating various health conditions. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore the phytochemistry and pharmacology of this remarkable herb. Anastatica hyacinthica is a monotypic taxon, meaning it's the only species in its genus. It's primarily found in arid regions like Egypt, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. This plant is quite special. During extreme weather, it curls up into a dry ball, but once conditions improve, it unfurls back to its original form. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about its medicinal properties. Traditionally, this plant has been used to help with labor difficulties, uterine hemorrhage, and even to assist in expelling a deceased fetus. It's also brewed as a tea to treat asthma, dysentery, colds, and fevers. People have turned to this plant for relief from pain, menstrual issues, and even epilepsy. What makes Anastatica hyacinthica so effective? The answer lies in its phytochemicals. Those are the natural compounds found in plants that have beneficial effects on health. Some of the key compounds identified include anastatin A and B, naringenin, iriodictyl, and various flavonoids like plus, taxiphyllin and luteolin. These compounds are known for their antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Let's break down some of these phytochemicals. For instance, flavonoids like luteolin and quercetin are powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body. They can also support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation. Research has shown that extracts from Anastatica hyacinthica exhibit a range of pharmacological activities. These include 1. Antioxidant effects, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. 2. Antimicrobial properties, fighting off bacteria and fungi. 3. Hypolipidemic and hypoglycemic activities, lowering blood lipid and glucose levels, which is crucial for managing diabetes. 4. Gastroprotective effects, protecting the stomach lining from ulcers. 5. Anti-inflammatory and antinociceptive effects, reducing inflammation and pain. In laboratory studies, the methanolic extract of this plant has shown significant inhibition of melanogenesis, which is the process that leads to skin darkening. This means it could potentially be used in skincare to treat hyperpigmentation. Safety is always a concern when it comes to herbal medicine. Studies on mice have indicated that the extracts are relatively safe, with no significant toxicity observed at certain dosages. However, it's essential to approach any herbal treatment with caution and consult a healthcare professional. As we look to the future, more research is needed to fully understand the therapeutic potential of Anastatica hyacinthica. Its unique properties make it a promising candidate for treating various health issues, especially metabolic disorders. So, what exactly are phytochemicals? Well, phytochemicals are natural compounds found in plants that contribute to their color, flavor, and disease resistance. But they do much more than that. Many of these compounds have beneficial effects on human health, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Alright, let's take a closer look at some of the key phytochemicals isolated from Anastatica hyacinthica. First up, we have anastatin A and B. These are two major compounds that were isolated for the first time from the whole plant. They belong to a class of compounds known as flavonoids, which are known for their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in our bodies, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Next, we have naringenin and iriodictyl. These are also flavonoids and are recognized for their potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and cardioprotective effects. Moving on, we see aromodendron, plus, taxiphyllin, and 3,4-O-methylaxyphylline. These compounds are part of a larger family of flavonoids and have been studied for their various biological activities, including their ability to inhibit certain enzymes that can lead to inflammation. Now, let's talk about psilocybin, which is another interesting compound isolated from this plant. Psilocybin is known for its hepatoprotective properties, meaning it can help protect the liver from damage. This is particularly important because our liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies. In addition to these, researchers have identified several other phytochemicals like hierokins A, B, and C, plus laraceresinol, camphorol, and luteolin. Each of these compounds contributes to the plant's overall medicinal properties. For instance, camphorol has been linked to anti-cancer effects, while luteolin is known for its anti-allergic and anti-inflammatory activities. What's really exciting is that the combination of these phytochemicals can have synergistic effects, meaning they work better together than alone. This is why traditional herbal remedies often utilize whole plants rather than isolated compounds. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are phytochemicals? Well, they are natural compounds found in plants that can have a variety of health benefits. Now we'll explore 79 unique compounds isolated from A. hierocuntica, and I promise, I'll keep it engaging and easy to remember. So, let's get started. First up, we have anastidin A and B. These two compounds are unique to this plant and are known for their hepatoprotective activities. Think of them as the guardians of your liver. Next, we have naringenin and iriodictyl. These flavonoids are not only responsible for the plant's vibrant colors but also have antioxidant properties. They help combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Moving on, let's talk about aromodendron and, plus, taxiphyllin. These compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Imagine them as the firefighters putting out the flames of inflammation in your body. Now, here's a fun one, 3,0-methylaxyphylline and, plus, epitaxyphylline. These are lesser known but are gaining attention for their potential health benefits. They're like the hidden gems of the phytochemical world. And we can't forget about psilocybin, which is famous for its liver protective properties. It's often used in supplements aimed at supporting liver health. Then we have the hierokins, A, B, and C. These compounds are interesting because they showcase the diversity of phytochemicals in A. hierocuntica. They're like the different flavors in a delicious dish. Let's not skip over camphorol and luteolin. These flavonoids are known for their anti-cancer properties. They're like the superheroes fighting against cancer cells. Now, we also have quercetin, which is known for its antihistamine effects. If you suffer from allergies, this one's for you. And how about rutin? This compound is fantastic for strengthening blood vessels and improving circulation. It's like a personal trainer for your blood flow. Other notable mentions include psilocybin A and B, isovitexin, and diazmetin. Each of these compounds contributes to the overall health benefits of A. hierocuntica, making it a powerhouse of nature. In total, there are 79 compounds, each with its own unique properties and benefits. From antimicrobial to antioxidant effects, Anastatica hierocuntica is truly a remarkable plant that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Is a unique plant belonging to the Brassicaceae family. It thrives in arid regions like Egypt and the Middle East. Traditionally, it has been used to help with various conditions, including labor difficulties and uterine hemorrhage. But what makes this plant stand out are its secondary metabolites, such as anastidin A and B, and other flavonoids that contribute to its medicinal properties. Let's talk about one of the most notable pharmacological activities of Kaff Maryam, its anti-inflammatory effects. Research shows that the ethanolic extract of this plant can significantly reduce inflammation, achieving results comparable to standard anti-inflammatory medications like diclofenac sodium. This means if you're dealing with inflammation, this plant might just be a natural alternative worth considering. Next up is its antimelanogenic activity. This fancy term refers to the plant's ability to inhibit melanin production, which is particularly beneficial for skin conditions like hyperpigmentation. Studies indicate that the methanolic extract of A. hierocuntica can significantly reduce melanin production in specific cell lines. So, if you're looking for natural ways to enhance your skin's appearance, this might be a plant to keep on your radar. Now, let's discuss pain relief, or what scientists call antinociceptive effects. Research conducted on the essential oil extracted from the aerial parts of the plant demonstrated significant pain-reducing properties. In fact, the oil showed a dose-dependent reduction in pain, suggesting that it could be a natural option for managing discomfort. Plus, it seems to work through mechanisms similar to those of conventional painkillers. Moving on to gastric health, studies have shown that A. Hyarocuntica has protective properties against stomach ulcers. In experiments, the plant extracts significantly increased gastric mucus production, which is crucial for protecting the stomach lining. If you or someone you know struggles with gastric issues, this plant could offer some promising benefits. Now, let's touch on metabolic health. The plant has shown potential in managing blood sugar and lipid levels, making it a candidate for treating conditions like diabetes. In studies involving diabetic rats, the methanolic extract helped restore normal glucose and lipid levels, showcasing its potential as a natural remedy for metabolic disorders. Liver health is another area where A. hyarocuntica shines. The plant has demonstrated hepatoprotective activities, meaning it can help protect the liver from damage. Compounds like anastatin A and B have shown significant protective effects against liver toxicity in various studies. This makes it a valuable ally for maintaining liver health. In addition to these benefits, A. hyarocuntica has been studied for its anti-malarial properties, showing effectiveness against the malaria parasite in animal studies. Furthermore, it appears to boost the immune system by increasing levels of immunoglobulins in the body, which are crucial for fighting infections. This dual action makes it a powerful candidate for supporting overall health. Last but not least, let's discuss its anti-cancer potential. Research has indicated that extracts from A. hyarocuntica can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, such as breast cancer cells. While more research is needed, these findings are promising and highlight the potential of this herb in cancer treatment. So, there you have it. Anastatica hyarocuntica is not just a plant, it's a powerhouse of pharmacological activities that could benefit various aspects of health. From reducing inflammation to protecting the liver and even fighting cancer, its potential is vast and exciting. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.
Pharmapal.